Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a hyperlink in Bluebeam. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is open up the Bluebeam and your project, and then from here we want to go ahead and add a text box. So what I'm going to do is click onto text box here, and now I'm going to just draw out a text box like so, and now I'm just going to type in hyperlink. You can just type in whatever here. So as you can see, I've got some text here now. Now, once you got that text here, we want to go ahead and click onto Tools and then click onto Hyperlink. We can press Shift H to get to Hyperlink. So now you should have a little box or bar that says highlight text, choose 2 points, or drag to select a rectangle. So what I'm going to do is drag a rectangle around Hyperlink. Now it's going to say action. Now we've got a few different actions we can use. So we can jump to a document page, we can go to a place, a space, a snapshot view, a hyperlink. So we can go ahead and put in a hyperlink there. And the last one here, we can open up a file or folder inside of our computer or project. So if we want to go ahead and add a hyperlink, I'm going to click onto that and I'm going to just put in just www.google.com. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. So now that hyperlink has been added to that. Now I just want to go ahead and press escape to clear that out. Now that hyperlink is going to load up Google just like so.